Hello everyone, welcome to week 14 of IS-688 and web mining. So this is the last core week of the semester for us. So this week is primarily meant to be about presentations. So there is not a traditional lecture of material that I will give you, but we do have some announcements to cover. A number of you have asked about when the final deadlines are for your Medium articles. So that's going to be May 7th. That's a week from this Friday. Please get your articles posted, not just to Canvas, but also submitted to the course publication by the 7th of May so the grader and I can review them. Regarding status of them, so this is a sample, a sort of reshuffled sample of the assignments that have been graded and shared. So you see everyone has gotten in their assignment 1, 2, and 3 articles posted. Many people have gotten in their assignment 4s, but the majority of you have not gotten in your assignment 5s. So be doing that. Most of the remaining grades will be submitted or will be put into Canvas over by the end of this week. The grader has finished most of them. I just need to review them. Those are the main things that are left. So yes, please get your A5, your assignment 5s in and submitted as at your earliest, and get everything in by May 7th, so a week from this Friday. Regarding the semester project, so now we have the virtual presentations. Those are due today. You are expected to put together a 10-minute presentation. Submit those on Canvas. Once you have done so, I will put the material into Canvas in this virtual presentations module at the end of the course. There will be a placeholder, or a link rather, for each group's presentations. And then there is an assignment for the final presentation review. So this final presentation review looks somewhat similar to the interim report review, though there's no blinding here. You'll get to see who you are reviewing. You'll be watching their presentation, so there's no real point in trying to hide who is giving a presentation. There's a rubric here as well, so it looks somewhat similar to what you've seen before. I ask you to briefly summarize what you see as the core goals of the project. What do you think are the most important insights that the project is trying to extract? Who do you think will actually benefit from the insights in these projects? Because remember, as a data mining course, we want to extract useful, actionable insights for a particular group of people that are not obvious just from looking at the data or from considering the context in which the system or data is embedded. And then you get to talk about what are the key project or the project's key weaknesses and anything you do to improve the actual presentation of the project, not just the material or the effort. And then I ask you to give a grade. I will send you an email, as I did before, assigning you to a particular presentation, and then you just write your group ID, or the group ID you're reviewing, rather, at the top here, as you had done for the intermediate presentations. Everybody will get, I think, 2 of these, and I will integrate them into a grading scheme for the virtual presentation. And then finally, as mentioned over the past several weeks, you have your final report that will be a Medium report due on the 12th. This is material on Canvas about what that looks like, and we've talked about it before. For the remainder of the semester, just a few things. So your virtual presentation is due today. We talked about that. The final presentation reviews are due on the 4th, so that's next Tuesday, I believe. So we've talked about that. Get your articles into the course publication on the 7th, or by the 7th of May. Please, please, please be sure and add the appropriate tags for your assignment. It's somewhat cumbersome to try and track down, well, which assignment is this Medium post for. It makes me unhappy when I then have to grade, so please don't put me in that position. And finally, the semester project final report, as we talked about last time. So this will be a 1,500 to 2,000 word document with an additional 500 words per student member posted to Medium. So you should cover the breadth of your work. What do you think are the most important things that you've gotten out of the project, and why you thought this project was important, how you explored the data, what are the key ideas, and techniques that you use to get out or to extract your interesting or important insights. That's due on the 12th, and that'll be your final grade for the course, or rather the final graded assignment for the course. And then I'll get your course grades in within a few days after the 12th. If you have any questions about any of this, you're welcome to use the the project discussion forum, or you can reach out to me via email on Canvas. By all means, do so if you have any questions or anything that you want to bring up or discuss about the projects, about the Medium assignments, or where we are. Thank you very much, and good luck getting your presentations together. If you have any issues with getting your presentations recorded or posted on YouTube or shared with me in some way, please reach out as soon as possible.